Reports for patients can be printed as single lab reports or batch lab reports. This video will demonstrate how to search for a specific patient's lab report and how to print lab reports for multiple patients. Please note that MLabsCONNECT does not enable you to copy and paste information from lab reports. Once you have successfully logged in to MLabsCONNECT, you will be directed to this main screen. To view a single lab report for a patient, use the cursor to hover over the Results tab, which can be found in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Under the Results tab, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Reports. In the new screen, select the Search Criteria tab. Now, the patient's name can be entered into the Patient field. The location or ward you selected upon logging in will automatically populate in the Ordering Location field. If you would like to search all of your locations or wards, remove the location by placing your cursor in the field and removing the data. If you have multiple locations, you can narrow the search by selecting the drop-down arrow in the Ordering Location field and using the cursor to select the location or ward. If you are looking for a test on a patient from a specific date, the calendar icon from the Reported Date Range section can be selected. Once selected, a calendar will open where the appropriate date can be selected. Or, for example, reports for a week can be searched by selecting a date from Monday and using the other calendar icon and selecting a date from Friday. Next, select the search icon in the bottom right of the screen. Once search is selected, your patient will populate on the screen. In the event you have multiple patients with the same name, a list of patients will populate on the screen. To view the report, select the patient of interest by using the cursor to double-click on the patient's name. In the bottom of the result list, select Report to print the report. If you are only interested in viewing the report, use the cursor to hover next to the report icon, and an upward directional arrow will appear. Select the arrow. A menu will appear with different options. From here, View Only can be selected. If you have more reports that you would like to print or view, repeat this process by hovering over the Results tab in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Continue by selecting the Search Criteria tab to find another patient. And complete the steps that were previously demonstrated in this video. To batch print lab reports, use the cursor to hover over the Results tab, which is found in the toolbar at the top of the screen. Next, select Reports. Then, select the Search Criteria tab. From here, select the Search button. To batch print the reports, select Print All Reports. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact our client service representatives.